Maker technologies can refer to any of the technologies usually found in makerspaces and other digital creative spaces, such as 3D printers, microcontrollers, robotics, and simple arts and crafts. As post-secondary institutions embed more experiential and active learning into their courses, the UTSC Library's Makerspace provides opportunities to help faculty connect digital maker technologies with their coursework. The Makerspace has a number of digital tools designed to engage students in creative and collaborative ways. Our 3D printers introduce students to digital fabrication and prototyping. In our 3D design workshop, students learn to create basic models that can be turned into three-dimensional realities. Microcontrollers such as Arduino present an active learning opportunity to introduce basic circuitry and programming. Students connect theory and practice with design thinking and coding, while developing collaboration and project management skills. Outputs include wearable technology, programmed robots, or the creation of low-cost, high-impact laboratory instruments. Creating stop-motion videos using free applications engages students as they learn to use digital animation tools. The creative process strengthens storytelling skills as students develop plot, characters, and theme. Additionally, students can create stop-motion films to explain scientific processes and concepts. Digital storytelling uses multimedia tools to create a narrative that tells a story, explains a concept, or makes an argument. It typically involves using video, audio, and image files, but can include other digital tools such as mapping software. Digital storytelling is an effective means to integrate technology in the classroom. Students engage in analyzing, synthesizing, evaluating, and presenting information. They learn to channel their creativity while building digital skills. UTSC Library Makerspace supports learning through workshops that help users learn how to use the tools needed to realize their designs. Ask us how we can help you bring your ideas to life by incorporating digital learning into your classroom.